So we're airing out our old EZZ pop-up camper. Gave it a little clean out, getting it ready to sell. It's taken us on some fun adventures. So whoever embraces it will have some good adventures, we're sure. And we're just seasoning our new Robson, which is massive compared to our old one. And Kenny said there's plenty of room inside for me to pack some stuff. I do like the stairs on this camper, nice and solid. Kenny leaving stuff right in the doorway. Here we are, packing up our new Robson XTT, getting it ready for our next camping adventure. Kenny's just put the new mattress in for us.
Yeah, just a test drive. It's our old mattress from our old camper trailer, but it's nice and comfortable.
But it's fairly new though.
Yeah.
And then we used the one that came with it up that end. And we're just making most of the cupboard space now that we have cupboards. And there's cupboards under here as well. And here. And do you reckon there's an extra cupboard underneath compared to our old one?
Oh, yeah, a lot more space. Yeah.
And you got the cage too?
Yep, got the boat rack on the top. So I just bought a king's rooftop thing, and I put all of our canopy in it. So yeah, it's out of the way.
So that way we have more room in here to pack stuff under the table, hey?
Yeah.
And are they all your lithium batteries you're getting ready?
Oh, just my spare lithium batteries, yeah.
So we come a long way since our initial one with the old lead batteries, hey?
Oh yeah, yeah. Like the lead batteries last you 2 days.
Whereas
now this one here, we've got a 200 lithium battery, 400 amps of solar, and I've also got a spare 105 amp lithium battery, and also 135. So all up, we're sitting at 440 amps of lithium. Which is probably would be 800 amps of AGM batteries.
Which is how long worth? A week?
That's an easy week. Yeah, an easy week.
Plus you were saying it's got double the water.
Oh yeah, we've got
storage
200 litres of water as well.
Compared to 100?
100 litres.
But 100 was enough just for us, hey?
Oh yeah, it was enough for what, 5 days.
But sometimes if we were right out in the boondocks, we had to be careful.
You did. I think it was 5 litres a shower. Per day. Yeah, per person.
Yeah. And these ones much easier to put up because the poles already stay in it and it just folds out, hey?
It does. But I haven't put up the annex yet. That could be a different story. Yeah, I'm probably dreading doing that, but hey, I'll get good.
And we
practice.
promise we won't get divorced.
Yeah.
Even though we're yet to get married.
Yeah, well, we both want to be the boss.
Yeah. Because we're both Aries.
Yeah.
But we're still together after 5 years now, eh?
Oh yeah, I'm a very patient man.
Yeah, so am I.
Yeah.
And we're really excited, looking forward to our adventure. We're going down Fossicking in northern New South Wales. Hey.
Yeah, we'll spend about 4 days in Ballina, 4 days in Tenterfield, 4 days in Inverell, then we're going out to Lightning Ridge.
It's a pause.
What's that?
To get some opals.
Get some opals and look for some gold.
And what was the story my older brother told me before we even knew, like we were planning to go there, we were called to go down there.
Yeah, and Cherie found out that her great-grandfather, first colonials to find gold in Burrell.
In the Gaiwea River.
Well, there you go, Gaiwea River.
Between Wingara and Inverell.
Okay, yep.
So his spirit's calling us to go get more nuggets.
Oh, well, just leave us one there and collect, it'd be great. Yep.
Anyone want to donate one?
Yeah.
But Cherie's been watching and enjoying all the gold sniping YouTube channels. And so I've got some, what would you say, instruments so Kenny can go gold sniping in the rivers.
Yeah, I don't think so.
In your speedos.
Yeah.
In your flippers.
I really do cringe when Cherie watches all these videos because she thinks I'm a workaholic. And I'm just a
well, they're good ideas I come up with.
Oh, they're great ideas, but gee, I'm not 20 anymore. Yeah.
Well, you're 21, so you can cope.
Yeah.
A platypus in the creek behind us.
Yeah. The strange thing is, we're talking, and my auntie Trish, apparently where we're staying, her brother owns a property right behind it.
Across the creek.
Across the creek, in the middle of nowhere.
Macadamia farm.
Yeah.
We should go get some nuts.
Oh, hey, hopefully she tells him and he'll drop a bag into us.
Yeah. Yummy. And the little squeaks I heard last night, which I thought was a frog, might have been a platypus.
Could have been a platypus. She said there's a platypus in the creek.
Pretty colour, hey? Wait for Daddy, you're going to pull him down. Oh, look at that. It's got a bit of Druse crystal in it. The first rock I seen. Druse crystal. Isn't that weird? We'll go with Fossicking. Gotta keep that.
surf anyway, because in Townsville, North Queensland, we really don't get surf. Yeah, and the sand's nice as well.
There's a barrier reef in the way, hey?
Yeah.
So it's the first time we've let Ruby off the lead to roam free, because this is quite a private space, and we were worried how she would go, because our old dog, when he was off the lead, he just used to run and not come back. That was old Willie. But Ruby's been good, just pottering around, and whenever we call her she comes back. Don't you fall in there. Come here. What are you doing? Did you see the little platypus anywhere? Hey, where's the little platypus gone? Did you hear him squeaking at night? Going squeak squeak. Hey. Unpowered, hey? Don't go up there, come on. Good girl. Good girl for mommy. The kisses. Oh, you're a good girl. Hey! Where's the birdies? Where's your friend Mr. Teddy? Hey, puss puss. You're gone. Is that homeless Teddy? You want to have a bath? In hot water? You have a massage? Did you eat your turkey? Come and have a rest. Hey?